Hello students. Today again we will discuss about the bills of exchange, but its accounting treatment. Okay, it's basically depended on the journal entries. So there are two types of journal entry: journal entry in the books of drawer and journal entry in the books of drawing. If you are perfect in this drawer and dry journal entries, then any number of questions you can easily solve. Even if it is asked for the ledger accounts, then simply through the help of journal entries, you can post them into the ledger account. So, for what type of transaction we must pass the journal, which type of journal entry should be taken? Suppose bill is drawn and accepted, okay, in the initial stage for any problem. If the bill is being drawn and it is being accepted by the drawee, so in that situation, in the books of drawer, we are going to pass the journal entry like bills receivable account data to acceptors account. Who is acceptor here? The drawee. The other party is the acceptor here. Whereas in the books of drawee, drawer's account data to bills payable account. Here drawer is the person, the first party who has make the bill. Now again, suppose if bill is honored on due date, means the amount was being cleared. Whatever amount was due, it has been paid, it is cleared. So then in that situation, simply cash or bank account data to bills receivable account in the books of drawer, and in the books of drawee the journal entry will be bills payable account data to cash account here, bank account. Okay, so simply when the payment is being made, when the bill was being honored. And other situation, suppose the bill is endorsed means from one party to another party, they are endorsing it. Okay, it is being given to some third party. Here drawer and drawee are the two parties, right? So the third party will be involved, that is the same bill the drawer can endorse to some other party where he is supposed to make the payment. So in that situation, this endorsement entry will be taken only in the drawer's book, but not in the books of drawee. So the journal entry will be endorsee, that is the third party, whoever it might be in the question, that will be taken as endorsee's account data to bills receivable account. But in the drawee's books, there will not be any kind of entry taken here for the endorsement purpose. And the next one is bill endorsed honored, means when the endorsement was being completely honored, that is the bill was being honored. At that time, drawer will not record any transaction, any entry. Why? Because already he has endorsed it, he has given it to the third party, the third person, that is endorsee. So obviously in the books of endorsee the journal entry will be recorded, but not in the book of drawer. Whereas in drawee's books, at the time of bill payment, it will be recorded, that is bills payable account data to cash account. Okay, and similarly, if the bill gets dishonored, the other case, when we were discussing about the bill was being honored, okay, in the previous situation, but here bill is dishonored. When the bill is dishonored, then bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. Okay, and at the time of dishonor, there won't be any kind of entry in the books of drawee, whereas in drawer's books it is bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. Is it clear? So by taking one example, we can discuss about it. Suppose here it is given on 1st January 2022, Sukhi sold goods to Vinod costing rupees 5,000 and draws a bill of exchange payable after 3 months. A first line, what does it say? When here Sukhi has sold the goods, so will there be any sales entry? Yes, definitely. Why? Because first sentence gives us the transaction that they have sold the goods. So when there was a sales taken place, so then simply journal entry will be Vinod account data to sales account. Being goods were sold to Vinod for rupees 5,000. So that sales entry is a general normal journal entry which we will record here. Up now Vinod duly accepted the bill payable after 3 months. Now bills payable accepted. Accepted means here there was a bill drawn by the drawer and drawee has accepted. Then comes our pro forma journal entry which we have discussed just now. So bills receivable account data to Vinod account. Who is Vinod? Vinod is the acceptor of the bill. Okay, so that's why bills receivable account data to Vinod account. Then what comes the next entry? Just read the next sentence in the question. Everything will be clearly mentioned in the question itself. Simply you need to read the question very carefully, sentence by sentence, and each sentence gives you one journal entry. Okay, so Vinod duly accepted the bills payable after 3 months. There we have taken already the acceptance journal entry. On the due date, the bill was honored. Now, when the bill is honored, what should be the journal entry? If the bill is honored, then cash account data, either you can take cash account or bank account. Okay, so cash account data to bills receivable account, being the bill received honored on the due date. Whatever was the due date, it was being honored. So that is again same 5,000 rupees bill which we were discussing right from the beginning. So same amount will be given. That's it. So the simply if you remember the journal entries, you can solve any number of problems related to bills of exchange. Just if you put the journal entries properly, simply the ledger posting can be done with the help of these journal entries. So it's not a very difficult chapter. Simply you need to focus on the journal entries, the pro forma journal entries, which helps you to solve even a long answer. Hopefully today's topic is clear. Please let me know if you want further explanation for any other type of topic. Thank you all.